Hey friends, if you wish to change compatibility mode settings on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So it's very easy. Here's what you have to do. Let's say that this is the program. Right click on it, select show more options, select properties and go to the compatibility tab. Now you obviously have the compatibility troubleshooter which can easily fix the problem associated with compatibility. But if you wish to do it manually, then check this option here, run this program in compatibility mode for. After this, I usually suggest using the lowest option here. For example, if you're using Windows 10 or 11, the next one in compatibility mode will be Windows 8. And then if that doesn't work, then try Windows 7 and so on. And then finally click on apply and then on OK. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.